dear students, in my previous videos, I had taught you use of the determiners and articles. But it is essential to see about the omission of the article. Means where we do not have to use articles. So there are some rules to omit the articles. How to omit the articles, that I will tell you further. Now the article is omitted when before the name of the substance and abstract noun or the substance is uncountable noun. We don't have to use article before the uncountable nouns and before abstract noun. For example, I have taken here sugar is bad for your teeth. Here sugar is uncountable noun. Wisdom is the gift of heaven. Here wisdom is an abstract noun. But here is some exception. I have given here a note that we can use article the with uncountables at the condition if they are taken in a particular sense. If uncountable nouns are taken in particular sense, then we will use article the. We can say that especially when they are qualified by an adjectival phrase or adjectival clauses. So, for example, I have taken here, would you pass me the sugar? Here I have taken the sugar. Why? It is told about the particular sugar which is on the table or where something, it is kept on something. Second example, I can't forget the kindness with which he treated me. Here I have taken kindness, that is an abstract noun, with article the. So in particular sense we can use article the with the uncountable nouns and abstract nouns. Now third rule is before plural countable nouns we will omit article which are used in a general sense. If plural countable nouns are used in common sense or general sense, we will not use any article. For example, children like chocolates. Here children are taken in a general way, means all the children. Here, but there is another exceptions that such nouns when taken in a particular sense like children and such other nouns are taken in a particular sense, we will use article the. For example, where are the children? Here the children indicates our children, maybe their children or your children. Rule number 4. Before name of people, continents, countries, cities, names of individual mountains, etc. I would like to tell you, when we are taking the name of some particular person, we are taking the name of the city, country, continent, and some individual mountain, we will not use any article. For that example, I have taken Gopal. You know, it is a name of person. Hari, name of person. Mount Everest, name of particular mountain. Nagpur, name of city. Europe, name of the continent. Now rule number 5. Before names of meals, languages, college, university, church, schools. These the things that whatever are given here, we will not take any article before them. Means any meal, language, college, university, church, school. But if they are taken in a particular sense, we will use article the with them. For example, I have taken here, the school is very near my home. Here school is particular. I would like to tell you again, the is used with these words when we refer to them as definite place, building or object rather than to normal activity that goes on them. Therefore, I have taken here, the school is very near my home. Here the school indicates the school is particular. After omission of the article, we will come to the repetition of the article. What happens? Sometimes the same article is repeated and sometimes it is used with first noun only. So when we have to repeat the article, we will see some rules for that. First, when two or more adjective qualify the same noun, the article is used before the first. If two same nouns are there, that time we will use the article before first adjective. But when they are referring different nouns or expressed or understood, the article is normally used before each. For example, I have taken here, I have a black and white dog. Here only dog. Dog only one noun where we are referring it with a black and white. I haven't used here a white. But we can say it like I have a black and a white dog. Dog is only one noun here, which is referred by the adjective black and white. For second example, I have taken I have a black dog and a white cat. Here you will notice that two nouns are there, dog and cat. So different adjectives are there. For both we will use a article a with both of the nouns. Well, we can understand that hence when two or more connected nouns refer to same person, the article is used before the first only. But when two or more connected nouns refer to the different person, the article is used before each of them. For example, the secretary and treasurer is absent. Here, secretary and treasurer are the same person. But in second example, I have taken the secretary and the treasurer are absent. Here, the secretary and the treasurer, they are different persons. So we have taken the article before both of them. But in the first example, though they are same person, I have taken article the before only the first noun. In expressing comparison, means when you are expressing comparison or while comparing two nouns refer to same person or thing, that time article is used before the first noun, similar to the upper rule. And when the different person or things, article must be used with each noun. Here, when the article is used before first noun only, when the same person or thing is there, that time we will take the example, he is better poet than novelist. Means he is the same noun, same person for both. But here, he is better mechanic than a clerk. Here, better mechanic. Mechanic is different and a clerk is different. I hope you must have understood that.